In this video, I will show you step by step how to make calls on HubSpot in a simple and professional way using the platform's built-in tools. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Contacts option in the top menu and click on it to view your contact list. Next, select the contact you want to call and click the person's name to open the contact profile. Inside the contact profile, look for the call icon or the call option, which allows you to start a call directly from HubSpot. Before making the call, make sure you have configured a phone number or connected a calling integration, such as HubSpot calling or another supported service. Click the call option and wait while the call connects. During the call, you can take notes inside HubSpot to record important information from the conversation. This helps keep a well-organized history of communication with your leads or customers. After finishing the call, you can save the call record to track future interactions with the contact. This feature is very useful for sales, support, and customer service teams. And that's it. Now you know how to make calls on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.